Well, hey, San Diego, thank you so much for joining us today. I'm Chloe Carlson filling in for Ashley Jacobs. Today, we are getting a pulse on the state of the auto industry and turning to West Automotive to ensure your car runs strong all year long.
This segment is sponsored by West Automotive Group. Brian, it is always so great to see you, and you always have great advice for us here at West Automotive. Let's just talk about when that check engine light comes on. The fateful light nobody wants to see. So when that comes on and you're driving, what should be your first reaction?
Well, the first reaction is it's always not an emergency. So, you do want to get the vehicle in and you want to get it checked out properly, obviously, because you don't know what's causing the problem. I would say there are signs, though, that, if the car starts to run rough, it's overheating, if something like that is going on, it's a really good time to look for a place to, if you're on the freeway, get off the freeway, turn the vehicle off, you need to have it towed. So you need to, as a driver, kind of evaluate the situation a little bit. And I know that can be tough, but if the car seems to be driving just fine, okay, get to where you're going, double check your gauges, make sure it's not overheating, there's not a bunch of lights that came on like a Christmas tree on the dash with the check engine light. Because those can mean more serious problems going on.
And of course we want to minimize the damage. So, let's just give a hypothetical here. Your check engine light comes on, you make it to work safely, you call West Automotive Group, then what? Maybe we can't get here right away.
Yeah, once again, we always strongly recommend get the vehicle in as soon as possible because we don't know what it is. It could feel like it's driving fine to you. It could be a fuel control problem. And by continuing operating the vehicle, we could be damaging the catalyst on the vehicle and turn it into a lot more expensive repair than it is. So we always recommend to our clients, hey, as soon as you can, let's get the vehicle in, we'll get it checked out and go from there and give you a peace of mind. Sometimes it's something that as simple as, a vacuum leak or the evap system didn't run right. And that's not a thing that's gonna cause you to break down. So it's not as urgent, but you just don't know. The light only comes on one time. And that's another great point. Once the light's on, if anything else goes wrong, you won't know because the light stays on.
Well, let's talk a little bit just about routine maintenance. How often should people really come in and see you and your team?
It's a great question, So manufacturers have been really extending out oil change life, right? You've probably seen cars 10,000 miles, 12,000 miles, things like that. We strongly recommend 5,000 miles. And this is the schedule I follow with my personal vehicles. The reason why is I tend to drive my vehicles a long time and I don't like to replace them. By changing the oil every 5,000 miles and allowing a qualified technician to put a good eye on the rest of your vehicles, items, keeps you out of trouble with your vehicle as far as that goes, and can also set up like, hey Ashley, you don't need brakes today, but you're getting close, so next service, before you go metal to metal and cause more damage, such as a damaged caliper or rotor that costs you a lot more to get the brakes done, you catch it a little early that way.
Well, I think this is a fitting time to talk too about getting ready for road trips. I know this is something we've talked about in the past, but since we are talking about routine maintenance, families are looking to just do a getaway for a weekend or something, what do we really need to make sure is in line before we hit the road for a long distance?
Well, you want to make sure your vehicle's running properly. My suggestion always is, if you're close to being due for a service, get the vehicle in for the oil service. Such as the West Automotive Group, we do a full AAA 40-point inspection on your vehicle, which is the important thing. Look at the brakes, all the other fluids, belts, hoses. Make sure you're basically visually in good order to head out on the road, and that's the best peace of mind for everybody, and that's really what you should do before you hit the road.
And you do have locations all throughout the county, and I think that's great because people can go to their neighborhood mechanic. They can go see your team, but it's also amazing because in the event of an emergency, if you're in South County but you live in North County, you have locations throughout the county so you can still go to your trusted team.
Very true, and we communicate through all of us all the time. So if you end up, and we have lots of people, as you know, in San Diego, it's pretty common. You might live in North County, but you may work in East County. So you get out there, you have a problem with your vehicle, we have a team to take care of you wherever you end up. And the great thing is we built some really amazing teams here at the West Automotive Group. These guys love what they do, all the way from our customer service folks that are here just to help people to the technicians that really love getting your vehicle fixed right the first time and you back on the road.
Well, as always, Brian, thank you for the great advice and your time.
No problem. Thanks for being here, Ashley. Appreciate you.
This segment is sponsored by West Automotive Group.